ultimate lip care guide. Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the wonderful world of lip care. Our lips are delicate and often overlooked, but they deserve just as much attention as the rest of our skin. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about why lip care is so important. Protection. Lips lack sweat glands and have a thin outer layer, which makes them more susceptible to dryness, cracking, and damage from the environment. Hydration. Lips can become dehydrated easily, leading to discomfort and chapping. Proper lip care helps maintain moisture levels, keeping them soft and supple. Health. Neglecting lip care can lead to issues like chapped lips or even lip infections. Regular care helps prevent these problems and maintains overall lip health. Appearance. Well-maintained lips contribute to a polished and healthy appearance. Dry and chapped lips can be unattractive and can even affect one's confidence. Comfort. Healthy lips are comfortable lips. Chapped or cracked lips can be painful and cause discomfort while speaking, eating, or even smiling. Makeup. Properly cared for lips provide a smooth canvas for lipstick or lip gloss application, enhancing the overall look. In this video there are 4 main sections. These are the basics of lip care, choosing the right products, DIY lip products and lip care mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. Let's talk about the basics of lip care. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to keep your lips well hydrated. Additionally, using a good quality lip balm with natural moisturizers can work wonders. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, leaving your lips soft and smooth. You can use a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush to gently exfoliate. Now, let's talk about choosing the right lip care products. Look for lip balms with natural ingredients like shea butter, beeswax, and vitamin E. Avoid products with harsh chemicals that can cause irritation. Don't forget sun protection. Use a lip balm with SPF to shield your lips from harmful UV rays. If you have known allergies or sensitivities, carefully read the product labels to avoid any potential irritants. If this is important to you, choose products from brands that are cruelty-free or use sustainable and ethical sourcing practices. Do some research on the brand and read reviews from other users to get an idea of the product's effectiveness and quality. Sometimes, the best way to find the right lip care product is through trial and error. Test a small amount on your skin to see if it feels comfortable and doesn't cause any reactions. Want to try some DIY lip care? Let me share a couple of easy recipes. Mix honey and sugar for a natural lip scrub. Apply it in gentle circular motions to exfoliate and moisturize. Combine coconut oil and ground coffee. Apply to your lips and gently scrub. Rinse with warm water. Mix olive oil and sugar together. Apply to your lips, massaging in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water. Create your own lip balm using beeswax, coconut oil, and your favorite essential oils. It's a fun and nourishing way to care for your lips. Lastly, I will share some common habits and mistakes to avoid to keep your lips looking beautiful. Mistake 1. Licking your lips. Many people do this instinctively when their lips feel dry, but it actually makes the problem worse. Saliva evaporates quickly, leaving your lips even drier than before. Mistake 2. Using harsh exfoliants. While exfoliating can remove dead skin cells, using rough scrubs can damage delicate lip tissue. Choose a gentle lip exfoliator or even make your own. Mistake 3. Neglecting sun protection. Your lips can get sunburned too, and prolonged sun exposure can lead to dryness and premature aging. Always use a lip balm with SPF to shield your lips from harmful UV rays. Mistake 4. Ignoring your diet. What you eat directly affects the health of your lips. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins, like fruits and vegetables, and stay hydrated for plump, healthy lips. Mistake 5. Using expired products. It's easy to forget to check the expiration date on your Lipcare items. Using expired products can lead to irritation and even infections. Toss out anything past its prime. Mistake 6. Neglecting to moisturize at night. Applying a good quality lip balm or moisturizer before bed helps hydrate your lips as you sleep. Thank you for indulging in this complete lip care guide. I hope you found these tips helpful in achieving soft, healthy lips. Remember, consistent care is the key to maintaining those perfect pouts. Until next time, take care and keep those lips smiling.